this guy was my father-in-law's, and he's cleaning up his place, and I just took it from him to see if I could sell it for him. He actually had an old school Super 8 actually like film camera, and also had the matching what would you call that, the matching reel player thingy. I forget what for some reason the name, the word isn't coming to me. The one that plays back film movies, that machine, that contraption, and I sold that pretty well for him. Probably, I think it was like $150 for the set.